Hi everyone, we're going to look at creating a works cited page using the MLA format. So when you created your paraphrasing assignment last time, I was expecting you to create a works cited page that looked like this. You have all of the information that you need, or I need, to go look for your article where you paraphrase your information from. However, some of you missed that point. So I'm going to give you this video so that way you can see what you are supposed to do. Using this website, citationmachine.net, you are going to create a works cited page. The website is a little bit hard to look at, but it's the easiest one for you to use. Just ignore all of these flashy things. What you are going to do, you are going to go to I only want to create citations. Click on here, then check MLA. Once you have done that, you are going to paste your URL into this box. I need to copy mine from my New York Times article. I'm going to paste and search websites. It has found my website. I'm going to hit select. Here they show you all of the information about the article that they can find, and then you're going to do final step. Again, it's going to show you more information, who your authors are, etc. Then you hit create citation. And here it is. Here is your citation. It is done. Now all I have to do is hit copy and then put it into my document. And as I said before, your works cited always goes on a separate page. And since I only have one work to cite, I'm only going to call it work cited. If I had more than one, it would be works cited. Now I will paste my information. Here it is. Now I do need to make it look a little bit more pretty, so I'm going to hit enter and then tab. Actually, nope, doesn't work. So I'm going to do enter, tab, and all of this needs to be tabbed in. And I should be able to hopefully, no, I can't. I need to get rid of this, so I have to do some formatting. Let's do here, remove space after paragraph. There we go. Single space. That's better. So that is what it should look like. And of course, as we always say, it should be 12 times New Roman, and then you will do a double space. Sorry, formatting is off. I need to add, remove. There we go. Now that's what it should be. Here is your works cited. Now if you were to have more than one, for example, it would look something like this. First one, then your second one. Okay? But for your assignment, you only have one for now. This is what it should look like. I hope that helps.